Hey guys, S7 Savage Gaming back with another video. Today we are gonna be building a level for the first time on my channel and hopefully beating it in the next episode. Yesterday I did a video about what games I'm gonna play on my channel and I haven't had any replies yet, so I guess I can only decide. But oh no, I don't want to quit. So if you don't know what level I'm going to make a second version of my level Neptune. And my level Neptune is this one. That's $46. Yeah, I like it, so I'm going to just show you it right now so you know the brief story. So I'm going to make this level harder and a bit longer. It might take more than one episode to actually make. Wait. Wait a sec, guys. Wait, I just have to... Alright guys, I'm back. I just had to do something. So I'm going to show you the level right now. I'm going to make this longer and harder. It might take more than one episode to make. But I can always do it off camera. So let's just do this so you know what the level's about. Also, we're going to decorate it more. Because I made this back in 2.0, I'm pretty sure, and it's already 2.11, so we have more decorations. Shit. So, let's look at the level, how it's based, and what it's like. We're going to put more spikes in these spaces where there's like one spike, and yeah. So it's pretty short. I'm just gonna say making a sequel. There we go. So let's start making it. I've only started, like, I've done the background and that's basically it. Oops, I accidentally opened a new level. Here. So basically all I've done is the name like it was in the last time, and you know there's one spikes here, but now there's like these fancy spikes that I've done. They're basically two spikes, but they look quite fancy, and well, they're a bit longer. They're nearly triples, but like in between two spikes and three spikes long. As you can see, I just did it. So we want it to, when you jump, you have the deep drop, so you can like do that. So that's where the deep drop from that spike. If you listen, look at the line and listen to the song. No, it's not. It doesn't. Where does it? let's just play it. See how far we can get. So this is quite hard, as you can see. When I'm done it, you guys can all play it, obviously. As soon as you want to, I mean. This might take quite a while to verify, so might as well do it in the level editor mode. But you have to do this. Boom. And then we'll do that. Oh, sorry, I didn't talk right then. I forgot I was recording for a sec. We have to just put these blocks there, I think. Alright guys, I'm back. I did some progress here. I did some pillars and I'm getting ready for that robot section in the normal level, but I'm gonna make it harder, of course. 116 objects already, and now we're gonna decorate some things. Maybe a shorter one, like that, there, and there. There's a couple tiles back. There we go. And then here we can do the long ones, because they look more fancy. There we go. And there we go. Oh wait, no. There we go. And here, this might be a bit boring for you guys, but I can always switch up the episodes. I just wanted to make a level because I've never done it before on my channel, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool because some of my wave challenges have quite a lot of downloads. Alright, so let's test out my level so far. So I'm also going to verify this in video, so don't worry about that. If you think it's fake, or if you think I hacked it, but yeah. Let's just skip with the start position. Here. Oh no. No. Let's just do it from here. Yeah. Here we go. So triple spikes are pretty hard actually. But when you practice, you get good, and they're not that hard anymore. As you can see, I practiced, and yeah, that's the level. I'm just watching another video whilst recording this. Alright, we're 10 minutes in, we got 4 minutes, so let's just put some more decorations, and that might be the end of this video. Can put some clouds. There we go. There. Alright. Let me just put this here. Nope. Alright. What other decorations can we put in right now? Let's just look. Not really that many, but we can work it out, Let's just put this. And let me just skip whilst I'm doing some. Alright, I've just put a couple of these things around. Let's just see quickly. Oh, this looks quite cool. So I'm just gonna put down a couple empty spaces. Like here, here. Maybe even on the side will be quite cool. There. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. What is it? I don't know. Oh, we might put a rainbow. Nah. Skulls. These are 2.1 blocks, aren't they? Alright. Just got interrupted for a bit. 2 minutes after the video, because I'm not going to skip it again. Let's just put this here. And looks like we're done nearly for this episode. Maybe put an arrow there. Question mark. Alright, I think we're done. So let's just play a couple times. Oh, this looks pretty hard actually already. Got past those spikes. Come on. So whilst I'm off camera, I'll be, I'll be practicing the level. So when the time comes to verify it on YouTube, I'll be ready and I will verify it in that episode. So this is SRM Savage Gaming. Peacing out. Bye, guys. Bye.